Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel ERPZEN. In today's video, we will see how we can create a credit memo in Oracle Fusion Accounts Payable module. So, credit memo is a legal document and credit memo is issued by suppliers to us. So supplier issues the credit memo. We will receive the credit memo and enter credit memo in accounts payable module. We will review all the details and validate the credit memo, and we will do an approval if approval is applicable, if they are enabled, and we will create accounting, and the accounting entry is liability debit, item expense credit, so that the supplier outstanding balances will be reduced. So credit memo is applied against the standard invoice, for which invoice you have to reduce the outstanding amount. After that, adjust the payment account, run invoice reports. The report name is Payables Credit Memo Matching Report, or you can run APTB, and the liability will be reduced and vendor balance will be updated, and that will be reflected in Oracle Fusion. So let's see how we can complete this process. Click on Navigator, click on Invoices, click on Task List, click on Create Invoice, select your supplier, ERPZEN, click on OK. Now we'll create a credit memo. _1. I want to create it as for minus $10,000 and select the type as credit memo. Click on OK. Now change the payment terms to immediate. Click on lines minus 10,000 and select the distribution combination. Hit OK. Now validate the invoice. Click on save. Now the invoice status is not validated. Now validate the invoice. Now it is validated and the accounting entry will be liability debit, item expense credit. Now let's see. Click on Post to Ledger. Click on View Accounting. You can see the event credit memo validated, liability debit, item expense credit. Click on Done. Now we will apply. We will also create an invoice with $20,000. Now click on Save and Close. Now create an invoice. Create a standard invoice. We will upload that standard invoice to this credit memo. Select supplier as ERPZEN. Standalone invoice $30,000. Now click on lines. We will set the payment terms to immediate. $30,000. Now select the distribution combination. click on save so that it is not validated. Validate the invoice. Now click on actions, click on post to ledger. Click on view accounting. See, item expense debit, liability credit. Now say save and close. Now go to payables, click on payments, click on task list or task pane, click on create payment. Select your supplier. Select your disbursement bank account. Select your payment process profile. Select the payment document. Now select invoices to pay. We will select this and this. Click on apply. When you are paying the standard invoice, make sure that you also select the credit memo so that system will understand and reduce the amount that has to be payable to the vendor. Now we have selected the standard invoice as well as the credit memo. So since we have selected credit memo, supplier balance has reduced to $20,000. Now click save and close. See, it has completed. Now we will create another credit memo and see how it reflects in the report. Click on invoices, click on task list or task pane, click on create invoice. Now say ERPZEN supplier report underscore credit, let's say minus 20. Set the credit memo, set the payment terms to immediate, click on lines, minus 20. Select the account to code combination, click on OK, click on save and validate the invoice. The invoice is validated. Say save, click on post to ledger, click on OK. Now we will see this credit memo in payables credit memo matching report. Click on this gear icon and hit refresh. Yeah. Report underscore credit. Yeah, report underscore credit. $20. You can see, right? So this is how we can see what are all the credit memos that are available to apply against the standard invoice. You can run the report and see. And the report path is shared folders, financials, payables, invoices, payables credit memo matching report. This is how we can create and apply a credit memo to standard invoices. Now run payables trial balance report. Click on schedule new process, run, payables trial balance report, hit OK. Click on business unit, now say submit. Yeah, it is succeeded. Download the report. Open the report. Now see. We have created a standard invoice. We have created a credit memo, and you can see all the invoice particulars here. Click on home. I hope you liked the video. If you like the video, please subscribe, please like, share and subscribe to our channel ERPZEN for more Oracle Fusion tutorials. Drop your questions in the comment sections. Until then, see you in the next video. Thank you very much.